Weezy out of here.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the shit going crazy.
Hey guys, so today's video is gonna be about my passion twists. I plan on taking them out today, and I decided to show you guys. So yeah, as you can see, they are looking kind of tired. I normally don't get styles like this, but about 2 weeks ago I did go to the Bahamas, and I wanted something that was going to be easy for me to deal with while I'm on vacation. So the reason I normally don't get styles like this is because my hair is really fine, and for most people, protective styles like this does, you know, do them justice, but it really doesn't do much for me. It might grow my hair a little bit, but it also sometimes damages my hair in the long run. But I did go with this style because I was going for more of an island look, and I got that. I didn't want to deal with a wig or anything or a frontal because it's too hot to be on somebody's island with a frontal or a wig and it's sliding back and whatnot. And I also didn't want to wear my own hair. I am natural. I've been natural for 4 or 5 years now, so I do have a good head of curly hair. But I didn't want to deal with curly hair on a trip, a vacation. So I got these, and they are kind of long. I want them really long. And some of them did slip out. And here's the back. So yeah, some of them did slip out because before I got them done, I did blow dry my hair out, and I used some BioSilk, so it caused my hair to be very, very silky. And the first couple days, some of them did slip out some, but I kind of sort of blame myself for that because, you know, like I said, my hair is really silky. As you can see, it's slipping out right here. So yeah, it's time for these things to go. I originally planned for this style to last me for about a month, but after seeing how tired it was really frizzy. After a week, I was like, okay, well, I'm going to push to 2 weeks. I pushed to 2 weeks. Life happened. I couldn't take them out. So here we are, a long 3 weeks. And guys, it has been so hard because my scalp is so itchy. My scalp is so itchy. So I just cannot wait to take these things out. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all how I take about 2 of these out. And then the rest of the video, I'm probably going to speed it up because it's so many. And yeah, from there I'm going to wash my hair, condition my hair, and probably wear my hair until my next protective style. So yeah, stay tuned. So as you can see, my real hair is poking out of the twist, so that sort of gives me a pointer of where I should cut at. So I'll go about 2 to 3 inches below that and cut it so I can make sure I am not cutting any of my real hair off. And then from there, I just unravel in the opposite direction. And guys, I do also want to stress that although it does look like I'm being a little bit rough, this video is fast forward a little bit, so it does appear that way, but I'm definitely not. When you are getting to the end of taking out the twist and pulling it out, you don't want to yank it or pull it too hard because you do want to be very, very gentle with the ends of your hair. So you guys see how fast I'm unraveling my hair? This is how fast it took for me to get my hair done. It's a super quick hairstyle to get done. I want to say overall for this length, it took about 2.5 to 3 hours to get it done completely. Here are some of the cons for this hairstyle. I do want to go over the cons first over the pros because there's less cons and more pros. This hair does tangle. The weave tangles, the hair tangles, and it's very annoying. This is a very short-term hairstyle, so as I said, my hair did get frizzy really fast. My twist did slip out kind of fast, and also the upkeep for this length can be very annoying at nighttime. And here are some pros. There's many pros, but just to name a few, this hairstyle was very lightweight, which was very surprising for the length that I got. Also, it's very versatile. You can do many hairstyles with these passion twists. I did get so many compliments from every race and from every color and many head turns. They're very bouncy, and also from the distance, they look like curls. And as you can see, they're very easy to take out and very simple and straight to the point. Guys, if you're ever in the Jacksonville, Florida area and you're interested in this hairstyle or faux locks or braids or anything like that, hit my girl at educator_T, better known as Tiara Does Hair. She's so sweet and she's extremely talented. And the best part about her work, she is light-handed and she is quick and straight to the point, so she don't be with the BS.
Slide on a nigga with the fofo. Yeah, the fofo. Slide, the fofo.
Hey guys, so I am finally done taking my hair out, and this literally took me an hour, like on a dot. I started at 3:38 and it is now 4:37. And yeah, my hair is so itchy and I'm so glad it's out. I feel so free. And I'm about to clarify my hair really good. And then I'm probably going to use the Cream of Nature charcoal shampoo. I love that shampoo because it gives me so much slip and then it clarifies your hair at the same time. And then condition it, deep condition it. It's a little bit of buildup. And then do my normal wash and go like I normally style my hair. This is the back of my hair. And yeah, come back and show you guys how my hair is doing. So stay tuned. Guys, I am back. I just got finished washing my hair, conditioning my hair, deep conditioning my hair, and now styling my hair. And this is my results. It is still a little bit damp. It's not completely dry, probably about 70% dry. I normally blow dry my hair, but because I did, straighten my hair prior to getting these passion twists, and then right before I got my hair done, I did blow dry it, and then I got passion twists. So after all that different manipulations, I didn't want to put any heat on my hair, so I am going to let it air dry, which is completely fine. And before I shampoo, I pre-poo my hair, which is very important. Because if you don't pre-poo your hair and detangle your hair prior to shampooing your hair after taking out a protective style, you might spend about 2 to 3 hours detangling your hair and you are going to be extremely mad. So I advise you pre-poo your hair before you shampoo your hair to avoid the headache. So yes, when I pre-poo my hair, I use the Aussie Moist conditioner. And I love all the Aussie Moist conditioners only because it provides so much slip and I don't have to spend hours and hours trying to get conditioned through my hair and a comb. It's a headache, especially when you have thick hair, as you can see. So this is the Aussie Moist Total Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner with apricot and Australian macadamia oil. And along with that, I use some olive oil, just some regular olive oil from your kitchen if you use olive oil. And I detangled my hair with a Y2 comb. And the purpose of that is to get all the shed hair and dead hair out of your hair before shampooing. And this is the amount of shed hair I get after pre-pooing and detangling, which is not a lot. As you know, my hair was put away for 3 weeks, so this is kind of normal. And then after I did all of that, I let it sit in my hair for about 20 minutes. And then I jumped in the shower. I put some warm water all throughout my hair, make sure it was thoroughly wet. And then I shampooed with the Creamy Nature shampoo from their new line. And guys, I am in love with this shampoo. I've never had a shampoo that I love. This shampoo, it doesn't strip your hair, and also it provides so much slip. This is the Creamy Nature Clay and Charcoal. It softens and moisture replenish. It's for all hair types, and it has activated charcoal, rock salt, and bentonite clay, aloe vera juice, and it has no sulfates, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. So yeah, I get you some. And then after I shampooed my hair 2 times, I conditioned my hair again with the Aussie Moist conditioner. And then after that, I did deep condition my hair. So after all that manipulation, that is, you know, from straightening, from blow drying, from passion twist, I did feel like I needed a protein treatment. So I used the protein treatment I've been using since before I was natural. Even when I was relaxed, I used the same protein treatment. And I also used the Alpha G treatments, the 2-step protein, but I didn't use it this time. So this is the conditioner I used, the protein treatment. And this is the Organic Root Stimulator Hair Restorer Hair Mayo. And then I followed up with the Alpha G Curlific Texture Treatment just to repair my curls. And then I let that sit on my hair for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And then I rinsed my hair, and yeah, from there I just styled my hair as normal. And this is my end results. So this is the end of the video. I didn't get too much shedding after deep conditioning my hair and styling. This is the rest of the shedding that I got, which is not a lot, very minimal. And yeah, so if you want to see more videos that are more with my natural hair, just thumbs up this video. I do also want to add that I did notice that I gained 200 plus more subscribers since my last video. So thank you and welcome to my channel, and I hope you stay subscribed. If you are watching right now and you are not subscribed, I advise you subscribe to my channel because I will be posting so many more videos. I didn't show y'all the back of my hair. Here's the back of my hair. It's still damp, so so yeah. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for my next video. If you want to see more natural hair videos, just thumbs up the video. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Bye guys.